Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Rimbar. Today's video topic is non-access modifier. First we are discuss about modifiers. Modifiers are a specific keyword present in a Java using that we can make change to be characteristic of variables, methods or classes and limited its scope. Java programming language has a rich set of modifiers. Modifiers in a Java are divided into two types. First is a access modifier and second is a non-access modifiers. Access modifiers in a Java helps restrict the scope of variables, class, methods, or constructor, public, private, protected, and default. These are four access modifier are present in a Java. Then non-access modifier. Non-access modifiers provide information about the characteristic of classes, methods, or variable to the JVM. Seven type of non-access modifier are present in a Java. There are first is a static, second is a final, third is a abstract, fourth is a synchronized, fifth is a volatile, sixth is a transient, and seven is a native. Then we are discuss about in a brief. First is a static. The static keywords means that the entity to which it is available outside any particular inheritance of the class. That means the static method or the attributes are a present of the class and not an object. The memory is allocated to such an attribute of a method at the timing is class loading. At class loading, the uses of the static modifier makes the program more efficient by saving memory. Then second type is a final keyword. The final keyword indicates that the specific classes cannot be extended or method cannot be overloaded. Final keyword is used in different context. First of all, final is a non-access modifier applicable only of the variables, methods, or a class variable, such as these are the often include the utility methods as a math class accomplished by the numeric utilities methods when using final with object reference variable. Be carefully of the what type of behavior you expect. Then third type is a abstract. Abstract keyword is used to declare a class as a partially implement means an object cannot be created directly from the class. Any subclass need to be the either implement of all methods or abstract class. Then fourth type is a synchronized. Synchronized keyword is prevents a block of code for executing by a multiple threads at once. It is the very important for some critical operations when two or more threads need to use a same resource. We somehow need to the make sure that only one of them has access to it at a time. That is, we need to synchronize them. This can be achieved the several ways, and one simple or readable way, by using a synchronized keyword. Then fifth method is a volatile. The volatile keyword is used to make a class thread safe. That means if a variable is declared as a volatile, then that can be modified by multiple threads at the same time without any issues. The volatile keyword is only applicable to a variable. A volatile keyword is reduce the change of memory inconsistency. Then sixth type is a transient. The need of pair keyword of serialization in a Java. You can refer the following articles for the serialization in a Java. The transitions keyword may be applied to the member variable of the serialization when is containing classes and instance. Then seven type is a native. The native keyword may be applied to the method to indicate that the method is implemented in a language other than Java. Using the Java application can call code written in C++, or assembler language. A shared code library or DLL is required in this case. It's all about the non-access modifier. Thank you.